Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to trim a beard neckline. This will be an easy tutorial and I'll be going over the basics of properly trimming a beard neckline. Let's get right into the video. Now let me say this right at the beginning. This is actually the first significant beard that I've grown, so I am by no means a professional, but I've learned the proper way to trim a nice beard neckline. So let's get right into the video. What you need is essentially a trimmer and then even possibly a razor for after if that's what you want to do. It's up to you. Let's get right into it. Now, usually I would use a smaller trimmer like this, a smaller one that's like more portable, battery powered, but right now it's not available to me. I'm actually at my parents' house filming this, but I do have this one right here, which is a much larger one, more geared towards your head and so forth, and it's corded, but whatever, it's gonna work, okay? Now, essentially what you wanna do is you wanna start off by going and trimming your sides. Now, what I like to do is look at where your natural hairline starts on the side and just go straight down. You want a straight line down. So I'm going to turn this on right here. We're going to carefully do it. Like I said, I'm not used to using this, but I'm going to try and work with it right here. So I'm just going to work my way down. Now it's already done, essentially, from before. Let me just adjust my glasses. And I do have a mirror over here. So I'm just going to be touching it up, okay? You want a nice straight line down, okay? Just like that. Now, some guys like to curve it inwards. That's not my style. I don't like to curve it inwards. I like to go straight down. We're going to do the other side now. This will probably be a little bit easier for me to work with. Just hopefully you can see this on camera. But I'm just going straight down, straight line down. Just like that. Now, like I said, I've already done this, and my natural hairline is also fairly straight. So there's not much to do. But, like I said, if you're doing this for the first time, take your time, get a nice straight line down. It's going to look awesome when it's done. There we go. That looks beautiful in my opinion. So as you can see, straight line down, just like that. Now the next thing that you want to do, and this is where actually many guys struggle, is you want to get your neckline. And I purposely did not do a good neckline. Now this is all part of the neckline. A lot of people think it's only this, but this is all part of the neckline right here as well, because this is your neck, so never forget about that. I purposely did this a little too low. Here's what you want to do. Some guys like to curve it. I don't like to do that. I like to go straight across. What you're essentially going to want to do is you're going to want to take these lines right here, and you're going to go straight across, but find your Adam's apple when you're not talking. Mine is right over here. Okay? And from where your Adam's apple is, you want to put 2 fingers above that roughly, and that's roughly where you want the line to be. So here's my Adam's apple. I'm going to put 2 fingers above, and as you can see, I got to trim off maybe ½ an inch from my current line right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up the trimmer. We're going to trim off about ½ an inch from this line. But where your 2 fingers end up, above your Adam's apple, is roughly where you want that to be. Another way to judge is when you're looking in a straight line, you want not much of your actual neck hair to show. So like right now you can see, I'll look directly at the camera, and as you can see, here's my chin. I've got a little too much neck hair down here that's showing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the trimmer, and I'm going to trim about ½ an inch off straight across, okay? Now, I'm going to probably stop talking for this because I really don't want to mess this up. I'm on my lunch break right now. I don't want to go back to work with like all this messed up hair. I don't have a ton of time to correct it, so I'm going to probably talk very little for this part. Start up the razor, the trimmer. Just like that. I like to start on the sides. And work my way up. Now, like I said, you can see I went a little bit higher. Now we're going to go a little bit higher. All right. Now I'm going to go upwards to get rid of any hair. So this will get it a little bit closer. Like that. Now here's what I like to do when I'm trimming my neckline. Just to get rid of any overgrowth, I like to comb it down. So now you can see, like now all of a sudden, it doesn't look so straight anymore because I'm combing it down. You can see it doesn't look that straight anymore. There's all sorts of overgrowth. So now I take the razor, the trimmer again, and I just hit it quickly with the trimmer. And I'll tell you one last final step at the end that's gonna make it look absolutely beautiful. Now, like when I first started this, my hair, as you can see from the stubble, grows all the way down to here. So like I was getting rid of this much. But I purposely left a little bit extra for me because I wanted to make this video. So hopefully you appreciated the fact that for 2 months I walked around with a neckline that wasn't the best. So as you can see, we're just a little bit too low over here. You can see it kind of comes down over here. You can see that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, trim that down. Just like that. Now, I don't expect you to take a laser level and see an exact line, but you do want to get a roughly straight line. Let me take a look in the mirror. That looks straight to me. A little low on my right side. A little low. All right. Now that looks straight. Hopefully you can see on the camera that it is a nice straight line. And as you can see right here, if I look directly at the camera, here's my chin. Right? There's not much like neck growth that you can see. If I'm looking directly at the mirror, minimal neck growth that you can see, okay? And that's it. That's how to shave, or I should say how to trim a beard neckline. It's a very easy, simple tutorial. Take your time, okay? If I was doing this without filming, I would probably take a solid like 7 to 10 minutes just to do that bottom part nicely. And to be honest with you, when I get home tonight, I'm probably gonna touch it up just ever so slightly with my smaller, more precise trimmer. But like I said, I wanted to get this video done, so I would recommend that. One last final thing, what you can do if you see that there's a lot of thickness here at the line, you can actually go and you can kind of go outwards like that. Like that. Check that out. Okay, look, like that. Just like that. Okay, and what that's gonna do is that's gonna trim off any like extra long hairs, and that's it. You're gonna get a beautiful beard neckline just like that. That is how to trim a beard neckline, an easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.